Do you know how to use Dax in Excel? Let me demonstrate. So here you can see we have one data set where we have date, region, product, then we have sales, then we have target, and then we have last year's sales. So I just want to use here Dax. Dax is what? Data analysis expression. So how we can use that? First, we need this Power Pivot tab. If you don't have this Power Pivot tab, you can check out my previous videos. And now if you want to use this Power Pivot tab for this data set, you can add this data set to the Power Pivot. How we can add this? We can simply select this and we can click on this Add to Data model that we have in Power Pivot. We can directly click on that and your data will be loaded in this Power Pivot. Now, simply what you need to do, you need to use here, let's say Pivot Table. I'm just clicking on Pivot Table for now. And we will directly use this new sheet, and we will click on OK. And I want to use Dax. For Dax, we can click on Power Pivot. In Power Pivot, we have measures. We can click on New Measures, and here we will get this dialog box. Let's say I want to create here total sales. We can type the measure name here, that is total sales. And now in the formula, we can use, let's say, sum formula. Open the bracket. Now we have all the columns that we have in our data set. So I'm selecting sales for now. Close the bracket, check the formula so we don't have any errors, and we can select here numbers. Here we can select whole number, use thousand separator, and click on OK. So we have one Dax scenario in this, and same as we can create more Dax, and that we can use as a KPIs also. And we can even create KPIs with the help of Power Pivot. If you want to learn this KPI, check my previous video.
Let's solve together. Put your like and subscribe.